5.
Lined up the alley, left center field. Rose dives, can't get it. Off the Blue Monster. 2 runs are going to score on the double from Carrier. It's 3-0 Pitt in the first. Strike zone a little bit more, but you're right, he just cannot finish guys right now. That one chopped through the middle, a base hit. Zuckerman will score a 2-out single for Nestler, and it's 5-1 Pitt in the second. Jaden Melendez to left field towards the Blue Monster, and gone! He hit the stand, the bull! Again, Pitt also trying to race to get to a 10-run lead, and Pedano with a stolen base. Now 21 of 21 in steals on the season. The first pitch. Off the glove of Mowry, it's 8-1. Third passed ball for the catcher today.
Stay right back up the box.
Swing and a miss. Chase the breaking ball in the dirt. Piscicrino will throw him out at first. And Fireman strikes out the side and leaves Monroe in scoring position. They go. Swinging a fly ball deep to left field. Rose back towards the Monster. It's gone! Is the one who delivers it. The 2-2. Hammered. Right field and deep. Back to the fence. It's gone! The senior comes through. Luke Cantwell, a 2-run homer, and Pitt is reclaimed.